title of this writing is Nosedives Are Quicker Than Comebacks. If you've ever tracked a particular stock and watched it take a tumble, you know a major drop in value happens quicker than any recovery. Such is the case in my life, and I suspect yours. Nosedives happen in an instant. Recoveries take time and effort. If you gain 10 pounds over the holidays, notice that it takes months and months, if not longer, to get back to your fighting weight. The same can be said of any habit. They form quickly, and recovery is immersed in quicksand. Nowhere is this phenomenon more apparent than in our thinking. We're quick to latch onto an idea, especially if it's an emotional one, but can't seem to let it go in the face of facts to the contrary. Don't confuse me with the facts, I know what I believe. What will you defend till you turn blue that you know is not true? What to do? Let it go is the advice we're offered, but that's a directive without direction. The road to recovery begins by noticing. Noticing the idea every time it comes to mind. That means to observe it when it pops into your thinking. Don't judge yourself or debate the idea, just notice it. Just the mere act of observation, with practice, takes that idea on vacation and leaves you free from its grasp. The process takes recovery time, and the results are sublime. Get into the practice of noticing your thinking as an observer or bystander and more quickly revive from a nosedive. All the best, John.